Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on reordering widgets on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can see the widgets on your watch by swiping from right to left. You need to use the Mi Fitness app to rearrange the widgets, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Device at the bottom of the home page. Scroll down and tap Widgets. To reorder a widget, hold down on the 3 horizontal lines to the right of the widget and drag it to your desired location. At the bottom of the list, you can see any hidden widgets. To hide a widget, tap the minus button to the left of the widget. To unhide a widget, tap the plus button to the right of the hidden widget. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.